Laundry. Simply put, laundry is a place where one can wash or clean their dirty linen or clothes. Normally, in laundry, we do washing, drying, ironing, stain removal, and dry cleaning. In case of hotels, majority of the soiled linen comes from hotel guest room, that is bed linen such as bed sheets, pillow cover, duvet cover. In bath linen, we have bath towel, hand towel, face towel, bathrobe, bath sheets, etc. For F&B linen, there is tablecloths, napkins, table runners, etc. All hotel employees' uniforms and any other guest request for laundry services are handled here. Types of laundries. In case of hotels, laundry service may be handled in three ways. One is by having their own laundry inside the hotel. Hotel purchase all laundry equipment, hire staff to operate it. This kind of laundry is called on-premises or in-house laundry. But if you don't want to install laundry inside your hotel, then you can tie up with some external laundry service provider who will launder your linen. Rates are fixed as per linen articles and a contract is signed. These laundries are called commercial laundries or off-premises laundry. These are large laundries with number of washing equipment and handles laundry of large organizations such as hotels, hospitals, restaurants, and other establishments. Now there is also third type that we call laundromats. In laundromats, you will find multiple washing machines and dryers of different capacity. Here customers or guests are allowed to launder or wash their clothes on their own, hence also called self-servicing laundries. Customers might be charged on pay-per-use basis or load basis or can be given monthly passes. These kind of laundromats are usually found in apartments or residential hotels. Well guys, that's all for the video. For laundry layout, laundry equipment and laundry cycle or process, check these videos. And stay tuned on Hospitality Broadcast.